Hi guys! In this video, we are going tequila tasting. Let's go! Hola amigos! Welcome back again to the Jalisco region of Mexico. And in this video, join me as we go in a tequila tasting tour to learn more about this iconic drink. To make this tequila tasting tour possible, we book a tour that will take us from Guadalajara up to the tequila region of Jalisco. And we also did a few stops along the way to explore what other things this wonderful region has to offer. Our journey begins with the breathtaking views of agave fields. As we drive past the agave fields, you can see why this place is so special. The agave plant stretches as far as the eye can see. These plants are the ones that make tequila possible. And did you know, it takes about 8 to 12 years for these plants to mature before they can be harvested. It is this labor of love that brings us the iconic tequila drink that we know and enjoy. And of course, no tequila tasting tour is complete without a visit to one of the many distilleries here in this region. Inside the distilleries, like this one, is where the magic happens. This is where the agaves are cooked, crushed, and fermented, which turns it into liquid gold. This process is an art, from the careful harvesting of the agave to the distillation process that brings out the flavors we savor in every sip. This process and the meticulous craftsmanship that goes in every bottle of tequila hasn't changed much in centuries. And of course, no visit to a tequila distillery would be complete without a tasting. Here, you can sample every type of tequila, from blanco to reposado to añejo, even a beer made of tequila. Each type offers a unique flavor experience. Tequila is definitely not just about the drink. It's a celebration of Mexican culture. After enjoying some tequila, we tried another super refreshing, super local, and super delicious drink, Cantaritos. If you're planning to come here in this region, this is one drink you absolutely can't miss. Trust me, it's more than just a drink. It's an experience. Cantaritos is a classic Mexican cocktail made with tequila, fresh fruit citrus juices, and a splash of soda, served in beautiful clay mugs. They're named after these mugs, which kept the drink cool and add a unique rustic charm. And so, that is the end of our tequila tasting tour here in this wonderful region of Mexico. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, hasta luego!